we're going to talk about central angles. Central angles are easy peasy. Central angles are equal to the arc they intercept. So in the first problem, if my angle is 139, then the arc it intercepts is also 139 degrees. And you're done. Move on with your life. Looking at the second problem, it gets a little bit more complicated. The first thing I notice is that two of the angles I don't know are congruent. And I know all the other ones. So, being Miss Hester, I'm going to go ahead and find out what those other two angles are, because maybe it will make my life easier. I need to remember that all the angles in my triangle are going to add to 360. So if I just call these little dudes x, that means that x plus x, so 2x, plus 86 plus 154 plus 60 equals 360. And I'm going to do a whole bunch of combining like terms, which gives me 2x plus 300 equals 360. And I'm just going to solve my lovely equation, equals 30. Okay, so that means that angle TPU and angle SPT are both 30 degrees. Cool. Now I can actually answer all my questions. The first question is, what is SQ, arc SQ? SQ has the 30 degrees plus the 30 degrees plus the 86. So 30 plus 30 plus 86. So that would give me 146 degrees. The next section asks for UR. UR goes from 30 plus 30, which is 60, plus another 60 would give me 120. Once again, that was just 30 plus 30 plus 60. Next, it asks for angle UPS. Well, angle UPS is just the 30 degrees plus the other 30 degrees. So that's just going to be 60. And last, it asks for UT. Well, that's nice. I've already found that. That is going to be 30 degrees. Now the last one tries to throw you for a loop, throw in a whole bunch of variables, but it's the same exact thing. I know I'm dealing with central angles because it's all coming from the center of the circle. Wow, we were creative with our names. So when I'm thinking about central angles, I'm thinking all the angles, all the arcs are going to add together to equal 360 degrees. Well, looking at this problem, I notice I have this angle, this one, this one, this one. Hey, they gave me all of the information, so what can I do with all that? I can add it all together and make it equal 360. It's wanting me to find KL, which is going to involve me finding X. So I'm just going to start at J and go around counterclockwise. So 11x plus 1 plus 11 plus 9x plus 88 plus 12x minus 2 plus 11x plus 4, and I ran out of room, equals 360. And now talk about a lot of like terms to combine. So personally, I think it's a little bit easier if you start kind of underlining or something your like terms. So I have 11 plus 9 plus 12 plus 11, which would give me 43x plus 1 plus 11 is 12, plus 88 is 100, minus 2 is 98, plus 4 is 102. And then I need to subtract, and divide. So x equals 6. And I always need to look back and see what my actual question was. My actual question was, what is KL? Did I find KL? No, I found x. So I need to go back and plug in 6 for x, which is going to end up with 70. So KL is 70 degrees.